Why is the EV stock market crashing today? Oh my goodness. What is happening, investors? It is your boy Jack, and that is an absolutely crazy day, and people are starting to go insane. I had already recorded 2 videos today. I had closed OBS, I had turned off my camera, and I went to look at the stock market. And in the span of what seemed like 20 minutes, EV had gone from being down 2 or 3%. I'm speaking Neo, I'm speaking Lucid, to being down 7%. Where is my Neo? Now down 6.5%. I mean, that's a big change off of seemingly no news, and that's what I want to speak about today. Why is this crash happening right now, and should it really be any surprise? Okay, so we're going to take a look at some of these stocks. We're going to take a look at what has happened specifically over the last 3 or 4 trading days, and why something like this has to be expected given the past few days, given the uncertainties in the markets, given the fear in the markets, and pretty much everything in between. Okay, so we're going to do that. Hopefully I can provide some reasonable answers to whatever questions may arise. Hopefully I can make it really simple, really straightforward, not overcomplicate things, and just say why this is happening, why these pullbacks have happened today. Okay, so really quickly, my friend, could I please ask you to do me the biggest the biggest favor in the world? Hit that juicy like button. It helps me out so much, especially if you are enjoying the content. If you do want more updates like this, drop me a comment down below. Let me know, what did you do today with your stocks? Are you just chilling? Are you buying, selling? And please, my friend, if you are indeed new around here, hit that juicy red subscribe button. Also, if you are somebody who likes free things, I'm speaking literal free money, literal free stocks, hit the first link in the description, or it'll be in the pinned comment as well. Sign up with Moo. You can get up to 5 free stocks valued up to $3,500 each. You could get a Google share. You could do a 20-to-1 split. You could technically get 20 free shares of Google for a couple of minutes of going onto your phone or computer, whatever it is. So sign up. It is a juicy platform. Now, my friend, just looking at some of the most popular EV stocks out there, okay? Arrival down 10% on the day. Absolutely insane. Now, Arrival, a lot of people are actually starting to contemplate buying Arrival at the moment. I'm going to look back into them soon. Why are people contemplating buying? Because look at this crash, okay? Look at how low it's gone. Look at how oversold it appears on that RSI. So here's today's dip. What happened since here? Let's say since the 28th of January, okay? It had gone up 60%, okay? 60% in a matter of days. And now there is a 10% pullback, okay? That's going to happen. If there is a 60% move, 10% pullbacks aren't crashes, they aren't dips, they aren't even corrections. Corrections. They just exist. They are a natural part of the market cycle, okay? Let's speak about ChargePoint, one that I bought not too long ago when I made a video on recently, okay? Again, let's this time go back to the 27th of January, okay? And we'll take these bottoms here and we'll go back up to those peaks. 25% green day. Today it's down 5.5%. Again, it's normal, okay? It's given back a considerable amount of that value, of course. That is going to happen. People are making really quick profits to a large degree. It's not just 1 or 2%. You've got to remember that when people start seeing 15, 10, 20, 25% gains, 60% gains in a matter of days, they're going to take their profits, my friends, okay? That's why the EV market is down. There's not some, evil message out there that you can't see. There's not one huge bear. There's not been any news. It's just happening because we've actually had a really good few days for the EV market. Let's look at some of the bigger names out there. Tesla, again, we're going to go to the 28th, okay? We'll go from the bottom. We'll go all the way up to those recent highs, bring it back down to the bottom. Nearly 20%, okay, for Tesla. 2 days, okay? It's had a 3.5% red day. Like, does that seem completely unreasonable? I don't think so. And I do believe that I have already proved my point of why the EV market is crashing today. It's simply because it's done so well over the past couple of days, okay? Now, if we look at the broader stock market as well, we can see that it's just doing okay. It was a little bit more green earlier on. The Nasdaq has gone from green to red. The S&P's there. Dow was a little bit red as well. It hasn't done all that much. And I think we all know that the EV market as a whole moves a lot faster and a lot more aggressively than the broader indexes, okay? Let's see, what else is having a crazy day? Workhorse, there's ones we don't speak about too much. Let's see what Workhorse did over the past couple of days. I just want to show you guys the trends that's happening with pretty much every EV stock, okay? We will take the 28th of January again, and that went up 24%. And again, today is down 10%. It's giving back a lot of the value. Ride is another one, my friends. If we just look at Lordstown now, I know they had a pretty insane rally. If we go here from the 24th of January, how big actually was it in the end? Yeah, 42%. And now today they're down 7.8%. So simply put, guys, I know today looks really bad, but it's been an incredible few days for EV stocks. And one thing that's very promising is that it hasn't just been the large caps. It hasn't just been our Teslas. It hasn't just been our Lucids, okay? Let's look at Rivian really quickly. I need to add them to my EV stock list. Similar story here again. So one of the more respected EV names that is out there. And again, they were up near 40% before giving back everything they've given back today. You know what I mean? So it's the large caps, the medium caps, and the small caps. They are all winning. And they're all going through this little bit of pain today after creating so much value over the last few days for investors. One piece of actual news that did come out that I personally don't believe has anything really to do with this crash is this. Electric vehicle sector jolted by implosion at electric last mile solutions, okay? In early Monday trading to carve out a new low, the electric vehicle startup rattled investors with the disclosure that it will restate some previously issued financial statements following a board investigation. On top of that, both the electric last mile CEO and chairman have resigned, okay? So I don't think this is affecting the markets, honestly, in any way whatsoever. I do think it's obviously affecting this company. But yeah, if you're looking for an excuse, you can try and skew this to whatever agenda you are carrying today. I don't think it matters at all. Again, here's a screenshot from a video we made January 31st, 2 days ago. Look at those green numbers. NIO is 17%, Ride 24%, Tesla 10%, Workhorse 20%, Arrival 25%. I mean, that doesn't happen without something like today happening, my friends, okay? And I know some people are going to say, why even bother making this video, okay? You could make this video every time there's a red day. Sometimes people just need to hear it. Even myself, sometimes I just need to remember, okay, this is a part of it. Sometimes you just need somebody to point out the things like I did to you, where you see 30, 40, 50, 60% run-ups in a matter of days and are question 5 to 10% dips. You know, you gotta be willing to zoom out from that one candle a little bit and see what the story is. Don't zoom out too far though, you remember all the pain we're all going through. So that, my friends, is what has caused this EV crash today. That, my friends, is why there is absolutely no reason to panic. There has been no bad news that came out today. There was actually some good news that came out yesterday in regards to NIO and some other Chinese automotive numbers. There was some good news that came out at the end of December in relation to EV growth as a whole. New EVs, battery EVs, every type of EV essentially grew very quickly in China, United States, and Europe. There's been nothing but good news so far this year for EVs, and I am actually starting to feel more bullish than I have in a long time for a lot of these EV companies. So keep that in mind, baby. Keep your eyes on the prize. Keep your eyes on the long-term game. But anyway, my friend, if you watch this video all the way till the end, I gotta tell you, you are a true legend, and I really do appreciate you being here. From the bottom of my heart, your support genuinely means the world to me. Remember, if you are somebody who loves free money, free stocks, first link in the description and in the pinned comment, sign up to Moomoo. It is easy, baby. It'll take a couple of minutes. You get some free cash. Boom. You love to see it. But anyway, guys, I hope you all have a beautiful, blessed day. Please hit that juicy like button right before you click off this video. See you for another one very soon. Peace.